In this video, I show you how to fix YouTube search history not showing problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store. Now search for YouTube app. Now tap on YouTube. Up to date your YouTube app if available any update version. Now go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now click on search. Search for YouTube. Tap on YouTube. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache. Now tap on clear cache. Now tap on clear storage. Then delete. Now open YouTube app. Now log into your account. Now click on search icon. You can see that search history is showing on YouTube.